this is that pivot down the bottom. My home is right up there. This is what 1,500 gallon a minute looks like. Look at that handgun. I'm looking kind of in the sun. Sorry, it sucks. But yeah, the wind's blowing the water away, and those are special, super fine nozzles on the top. So it's more like rain. Some spin. They say these are better. Some say the other ones are better that hang down and spin. Look at that handgun shoot. I'm just pointing and aiming. That's about 1,500 gallon a minute right there. Okay, that's a short, I think. I'll see you later. Have a heart. Ciao.